Welcome back. You're in a safe space now. And there is nothing you need to do but be here. If your body feels like a storm today, if you feel the rising tide of emotions or a heaviness that makes your thoughts feel like lead, know that this is not your permanent state. It is simply a season of your cycle, a temporary weather pattern passing through the vast landscape of who you are. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide through this release. By the end of this journey, the friction of hormonal swings will have smoothed into a steady, rhythmic flow, leaving you anchored in the wisdom of your own center. Take a slow breath in, inhaling the quiet, neutral air around you. Exhale fully, letting the irritability and the too muchness of the day drain out through your fingertips. Breathe in again, imagining a warm glow softening the tension in your lower belly. Exhale, feeling the weight of expectation lift off your chest. Imagine yourself standing on the shore of a vast, moonlit ocean at low tide. The sand beneath your feet is silver, wet and firm. The water does not crash. It ripples inward with a gentle, rhythmic hum. There is no one here to please, only the pull of the moon and the salt in the air. The moon above is full and luminous. It doesn't apologize for its phases. It simply flows through them, knowing each one is necessary. This is a place where your fluctuations are honored, not fixed. If this space feels safe to you, you're welcome to return to this channel anytime. This is a sanctuary for the hormonal heart, a place where the demands of the world are paused, so you can finally rest in the soft grace of your own body. Take a slow breath in, not as an effort, but as a kindness. And exhale gently, releasing the need to be on or perfect. Again, inhale softly and exhale even slower, telling your nervous system it is okay to be sensitive right now. As your breath settles, imagine yourself sitting down where the dry sand meets the wet shore. You find a smooth, flat stone nearby. It is heavy and cool, holding the ancient memory of the earth. You hold this stone in your lap. It represents your grounding. Every surge of emotion, every physical ache is held by the gravity of the earth beneath you. Breathe in, drawing up the stability of the shore. Exhale, and let your hips sink deeper into the sand. Out on the horizon, the tide continues its slow work. The ocean doesn't fight the pull of the moon, it yields to it. It trusts the cycle of rising and falling. As you sit here, you become aware of the tightness inside you, the pressure in your temples, the sensitivity in your skin, the swelling of your emotions. Breathe in and acknowledge these sensations as temporary visitors. Exhale, letting the internal resistance to them dissolve just a little. You look at the moonlight reflecting on the water. In this space, you don't need to be productive. As you watch the foam disappear into the sand, you realize something quietly powerful. My hormones are not a flaw, they are a rhythm, and right now I am allowed to move slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Repeat gently in your mind, I am at peace with the changing tides of my body. The air around you begins to feel softer as the night air cools. A low, resonant sound vibrates from the ocean floor, the deep hum of the sea. It is a steady, predictable pulse, like a mother's heartbeat. You lie back on the sand, looking up at the infinite stars. Your body feels lighter with every breath, as if the sand is absorbing the heaviness of your fatigue. The moonlight washes over you like a cool silk sheet. You are moving away from the shoulds of the world and deeper into the is of your existence. Breathe in the scent of salt and night-blooming jasmine. Exhale and feel the space between your thoughts widening. You notice a small tide pool nearby, shimmering in the light. It is a world unto itself, calm despite the vast ocean. As you look at the stars reflected there, you see that even in the dark, there is light. Repeat softly in your mind, I give myself permission to rest without guilt. A subtle warmth moves through your lower back. Your jaw unhinges. Your breath becomes a long, easy wave. You notice the moon moving slowly across the sky, never rushing its path, but always arriving at the dawn. Repeat softly in your mind, this phase is passing, and I am held through every moment of it. The shore seems to breathe with you. Space appears where the brain fog once was. Breathe in. Exhale fully. A realization settles in, not as a thought, but as a feeling. You are not your mood. You are the deep, quiet ocean beneath the surface waves. Let that land. Repeat in your mind. I am the ocean, not the storm. I am the moon, not the shadow. Your muscles relax even further. Your breath moves all the way down to your womb space, bringing comfort. The salt air continues to cleanse you, and with it goes the urgent need to fix how you feel. Notice how the earth beneath you continues to support you without effort. It doesn't tire of your sensitivity. It doesn't judge the tears or the tiredness. It simply exists in the same rhythm as the stars. In this space, your worth is not measured by your energy levels. There is no falling behind. There is only the slow, natural wisdom of the body. Breathe in the vastness of this grace. Exhale the pressure to be normal. Repeat gently. My body knows how to heal. I trust the wisdom of my own cycle. Another insight rises, clear and grounding. This discomfort is just a signal to turn inward, and here, on this shore, the inward journey is beautiful. Inhale slowly. Exhale completely. Repeat softly. I am grounding into my power. Even in my softness, I am strong. The horizon begins to glow with a faint violet light, peaceful, distant, and perfectly still. You feel the tension in your mind simply dissolving into the salt water. One final realization arrives, quiet, raw, unmistakable. I don't need to be afraid of my emotions. They are just the wind over the water. Breathe in deeply. Exhale slowly. Repeat gently. I am kind to myself in the midst of change. I am my own safest harbor. Feel that choice ripple through your mind, your heart, your whole being. Your nervous system is returning to its home. Take one last full breath in and a long, unforced exhale. When you're ready, allow your awareness to return gently, carrying this oceanic stillness, this moon-guided grace, this freedom from the struggle, with you. If this meditation supported you, subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community, a space where your cycles are respected and rest is always allowed. Carry this peace with you as you move forward. You are safe.